This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Cerave Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum, only way. Begin by cleansing, then pat skin slightly damp and dispense a pea-sized amount. Gently press the serum into forehead, cheeks, and chin using upward motions. Allow a minute to absorb, then apply your moisturizer and sunscreen if daytime. Use nightly or morning under makeup for steady hydration and a smoother texture. Start with a gentle cleanser and rinse thoroughly, then gently pat skin so it's slightly damp. Dispense a pea-sized amount of the Cerave serum and warm it between fingertips. Press the serum into skin using light, upward motions across face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Wait about a minute for absorption, then follow with a cream or lotion to lock moisture in and protect the skin barrier. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more skincare tips. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a cozy companion for reading skincare guides and routines on the go. Its glare-free display is great for bedside or commute. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Perform a patch test if you have sensitivity, applying a small amount to the jawline for 24 hours. Do not put the serum too close to the eye surface, and if stinging occurs, rinse and reduce use frequency. In the morning, always follow with SPF to protect results. Use consistently for several weeks to notice smoother, plumper skin and to support your skin barrier effectively without overloading it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.